Okay guys, just open your settings application, then select general tab from the left side. Okay, this one, and then select iPad storage. Then you can see here the storage details, and just scroll up the page. At last you can see here the option for hidden apps. If you set some app to hide, then you can manage those apps from here, the hidden apps. Currently I'm not setting any apps to hidden mode, so there is no apps is here, so it is shown nothing. So that's guys, you can simply access your hidden app from here. You can easily uninstall or clear data or any offload features, just you can use from here. Okay guys, that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.